Hi everyone, this is Ravi. Welcome to Katalon Studio Quick Learning Sessions. From today onwards, I'm going to publish a series of YouTube videos covering beginners level, intermediate level, and advanced level concepts with a very short 5 to 10 minutes of the videos where I'll be talking about different types of use cases containing the problem statements and the solutions. This is our lesson 1. Choose desired project type in Katalon Studio. What is the problem statement? How can we create test project for different types of testing like web, mobile, desktop, API services, and any generic projects in Katalon Studio? So in Katalon Studio, users are presented with different project types when creating a new project such as web, mobile, desktop, and API services. So each project type offers unique components and configurations tailored to specific testing requirements. However, users often lack clarity on the difference between these project types and the specific components each one loads. So this lack of understanding may lead to confusion in selecting the most suitable project type for their testing needs, potentially resulting in insufficient test setups or redundant configurations. So now let us jump in and see what are all these different types of projects that are available in Catalan Studio and how can we select them. The first project type is web. The purpose is primarily for automating tests on web applications. So when you select this project type, the components loaded are web specific elements and keywords, browsers and WebDriver configurations, example Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. And also it contains built-in capabilities for handling web UI elements like buttons, fields, and links. And of course, you will have a default profiles and settings where you will be managing your URLs for different environments. And the second project type is mobile. The purpose of this project type is this automates tests on mobile applications, both Android and iOS. Whenever you select this project type, the components loaded are mobile specific keywords such as tap, swipe, and drag. And of course, mobile device configuration settings also available connecting to an emulator or physical device. And integration with APM for cross-platform mobile automation also available in this particular type of project. And of course, you will have default profiles and settings where you will be managing the platform specific settings and mobile profiles. And the third project type is desktop. The purpose of this project type is designed for automating tests on desktop applications. Whenever you select this project type, the components loaded are desktop specific keywords to interact with UI elements in Windows desktop applications, and also integrations with WinApp driver to support desktop application automation also loaded. And of course, you will have a default profiles and settings where you will be managing desktop capabilities such as configurations for locating and interacting with Windows based application elements. And fourth project type is API web services. The purpose of this project type is suitable for testing RESTful and SOAP API web services. And whenever you select this project type, the components loaded are exclusive features for API web services testing are enabled, including icons of importing test requests from OpenAI specifications, WSDLs, and then Postman, request history list, and more. And you will have built-in support for REST and SOAP API testing, including handling JSON and XML responses. And of course, you will have default profiles and settings where you will be managing environment specific API endpoints and authentication settings. And the last project type is generic. The purpose of this project type is a flexible project type that can be used for combining different test types or creating a custom testing structure. Whenever you select this project type, the components loaded are a basic framework without any preloaded testing keywords specific to a type. The flexibility to add keywords or capabilities from different testing types like web, mobile, API are available as needed. And of course, you will have a default profiles and settings where you will be managing custom configurations ideal for mixed or custom test cases that don't fit into a one specific category. And now let us go to Katalon Studio and see how can we create these different types of projects. This is my latest Katalon Studio Enterprise. So there are two methods. Either you select file and then new and then select project, or you can directly click on new project. So here let us go to file and then select new and then project. Here it will ask you to name the project. So I'm going to name this as test project. Test project. And here you need to select the type of project. As I explained to you earlier, you need to understand what are these different types of projects. So based on your requirement, you'll be selecting either web. If you're automating web application, you can select API web services. If you are automating API web services, you can select mobile if you are automating your mobile application. You can select desktop if you are automating your desktop application. You can select generic if you want to combine all these different types of applications. And then you just need to click on OK. Or if you want to start with a blank project, you can select blank project. Or if you want to select with some sample projects that are available in Katalon Studio, you can select these sample projects also. Hope this a very short session helped you in understanding how can we create different types of projects in Katalon Studio. Stay tuned, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.